When someone suddenly asks you, can you speak about your hometown or tell me something about your success? Your mind goes completely blank. And then you start thinking, my vocabulary is weak, my grammar is not that good. But let me tell you something very important, that's not the real problem. Because we all know the basic grammar, the basic vocabulary, because we have been studying English as a subject for so many years. The real problem is you don't know what to say. You have words, you have basic grammar, but your thoughts are not organized. And today I'm going to give you one simple technique that will organize your thoughts in just a few seconds. I call it AIR method. Once you understand this method, you will be able to speak on almost any topic very easily. So, what is AIR? AIR has only three steps, very easy to remember. A stands for answer. The first thing you need to do is answer one simple question. What is this topic? That's it. That you have to answer. Don't try to impress someone, just give a simple answer. For example, let's say that the topic is books. You can simply say, books are one of the best source of knowledge. That's it. One sentence. Now you have already started speaking. Most learners get stuck because they keep searching for a perfect opening just to impress others maybe, but I must say that you should forget about it, forget perfect, start simple. Now comes to the second step. I stand for illustrate. Now explain your first sentence, ask yourself why and how, right? So for example, books. So how and why? Books improve our vocabulary, they increase our knowledge, and they also help us think differently. See, you didn't use difficult English, you just simply explained your first idea. This is exactly how native speakers speak. They don't memorize paragraphs, they simply answer in one or two lines. Then comes to the most powerful step, R. R stands for relate. Now connect the topic with your own life. So you see, whenever you connect something with your own life, you have so many examples, so many things to share, and you are able to explain or talk about at least for a few minutes without any kind of interruption. That's my promise to you. So, for example, the topic is book. I usually read book for a few minutes before going to bed. I learn new words naturally. Reading book is difficult these days because I am a mom of two children and you know how difficult it is, but book can be your best friend and it can be your partner for the life. So you can speak like that. Your conversation becomes very interesting when you talk about some personal stuff during the conversation. Personally doesn't mean you have to open up things about your family members. It's just that how the topic is associated with your life. So very simple method, AIR. Answer, illustrate, and then relate. Very simple. Now let's try another topic. Suppose someone says speak about mobile phones or maybe the laptop. Let's say mobile phones. Okay. So you can start with like that. A mobile phone is an important part of our daily life. How and why? It helps us communicate, learn new things, and save time. How it is relatable? I use my mobile phone every single day to practice English and watch educational videos. Done. Within 1 minute, you've spoken confidently without memorizing anything. Right? You can definitely do that. It's not a big task. The next time someone gives you a random topic, just don't panic. Don't think, I don't know enough. My vocabulary is not good. My grammar is, don't think like that. Right? Instead, just quickly plan AIR. Answer. What is the topic? Laptop. Start saying this. Start answering. Right? So, when your thoughts have a direction, your words begin to flow naturally. Now, here is a small challenge for you. Open the comments and write any random topic like rain, friendship, tea, mobile phone, bottle, or any of your favorite festival. Then use the AIR method to write 3 or 4 sentences. I'll read your comments and if needed, I'll help you to improve them. If you found this technique useful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep practicing and keep speaking. Try this and let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much. Bye bye.